Hello, Arnabi. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. Can we just start off by you stating your name and the most recent rotation that you just completed?
I'm Arnabi Sarkar. I'm an IMG from India, and the recent rotation I did with med clerkship was in Chicago in general surgery.
Great. Can you describe in as much detail as you can your overall experience in the rotation?
Yeah, sure. So this rotation was in a community hospital in Chicago, and the preceptor was incredibly helpful. You could ask him any questions. The patient population was actually quite diverse, and you would get an opportunity to deal with different kinds of patient. Also, you get the chance to rotate with residents there who are doing their rotations in surgery at that time, and there are many students there. It's a highly interactive environment, and I really had a good time.
That's great. So, do you feel that your preceptor worked well with students and that it was a high educational environment?
I think my preceptor really worked well with us, and he after the surgeries he would take time, and if we had any doubts, he would clarify that. We had suture classes, not time classes. He would like take the time to teach us the basics. I think that's really great. And any procedure we would see, he would let us ask questions. So it was a really educational environment. Yes.
Great. Is there any individual experience that you had with your preceptor that may have stood out?
Yes, so we would get a lot of EGDs done there, and it's something new to me. I have never assisted in that, so he gave me a chance to look very closely in the EGD. He let me assist it. He would explain each and every single detail, how it's done. I think I was really honored with the time he took for me, given that we were in a very big group. But then again, he would take the time for each student and help us in any way he could.
Great. How would you describe your overall experience with med clerkships?
It was quite seamless process. My clerkship helped me throughout. From the time I started inquiring about the rotations to setting things up, about the location of the rotation, any questions I had, I would just text them anytime they would be available. They were really helpful throughout the process.
Great. Would you recommend med clerkships to other students, and would you yourself do another rotation through med clerkships?
Definitely, I would recommend med clerkship for everyone because the process was really comfortable for me as an IMG. Any doubts I would have, that it would be clarified, and also I would definitely love to do another rotation with med clerkship if given the opportunity.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much again, Arnaby, for taking the time to do this. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity.